Welp, I guess we're back at it again.
Why is the cabin part of the logo painted over gray?
These are vandalized units! I don't care if I reviewed this already, but Southern Pacific, repaint your unit. Oh, wait a minute, it's retired. No! What the hell was that monstrosity, and why does it have two cabs? This is literally a bootleg SD60M. Yeah. Oh, hey, look, it's a popsicle on wheel.
Not another one of those bigots.
Oh, God. All right, Ferks, you had one freaking job, and you fricked up your patch job. Pardon me, but did you forget to remove the Frisco? Well, I have two words for this unit. Ugly duckling.